Welcome to the Black Cat Roundabout. It's the big weekend closure. This part of Bedford Road will be permanently shut, and the next part, which is shown here, curving in, will be opened. It's also going to be, you can see here the new slip road, that's going to be tied in. So that's going to be the realigned Bedford Road. It also means the end of people using this section of the A421. So from Monday, the roundabout will go underneath the flyover there. So you're going to come under that bit there. You can see that's Bedford Road there. So that's going to be the new realigned Bedford Road. The Black Cat will fly underneath that new flyover to head up to the north, and you'll no longer use the A421, you'll use the free flowing new slip roads. So I've just come along today to have a look, get a good view of what's actually happening here, and show the works that are happening on the weekends. A lot of people say you can never see anything happening. There's plenty here this weekend. Zoom to give a better idea. So you're no longer going to come down this section to come off the A1 onto the A421. That'll be removed. You're going to come down this new free flowing slip road. Same if you're coming from Bedford. You go underneath there. You can see they're joining the new road in. Traffic wasn't too bad today. They have asked everyone to avoid travelling. Gives you an idea of just what's actually occurring here. Well away from the cranes. You can see all the works happening to remove the end of the A421 and tie in these new slip roads, which will be the connection into what is the Black Cat for now. That A421 will no longer be used from Monday morning. Just heading down now, you can see the works continuing. Head over the new bridge. There's the new bridge there. As we look into the distance, that middle section of the A421, as I understand it, will no longer be used. It will just be the new slip roads from Monday. So if you're heading down this way, already organised. Like I said, there's a small hold up as we came actually off the back roads where Waze took us, but not terrible delay for such a major project. So I believe that middle section will be out of action from Monday. They'll use these new slip reins to come across and down. See the final works being done on them. So they'll be open Monday morning. All going to plan. I think it will go to plan as well. As we've seen, the project is really well managed here. There's the Black Cat itself. We'll fly towards it, have a proper look, keeping out of the way. We don't want to cause any disruption. It gives you an idea of the scale of the works happening here today. Nice and high. So yeah, you can see there, this gives a really good angle. There's that new road to the left. You can see the new alignment for the Black Cat running underneath the new flyover there. And it'll join onto the free flowing slip roads, and the 421 will no longer be used. Yeah, we'll just keep exploring, keep seeing. There is one pylon rig in use there. Black Cat itself. So I didn't realise it was still open north to south. So it was completely closed this weekend. That section there, that's the current Bedford Road where that van is. That's going to be closed off. So that section of road where I normally park will no longer be accessible. So you'll have this new section here where these vans are parked, which will be the access down on Monday. There's the turn off onto the free flowing slip road that they're finishing off now. So that's going to be the access to head down to Bedford. And then on the other side, you can see there's the joint to go around the roundabout. So you pass underneath that flyover there. And then on the left hand side, you've got the access from the Bedford, so heading eastbound. But yeah, lots happening this weekend. See the works on the actual roundabout itself, start lowering it. This will clear a big site for the rest of the project to continue. Come round, get a bit closer. Look at the actual roundabout itself. Hi. You have to follow the diversion. It's all shut this way. I don't know how you get around it, mate, sorry. That's the guy in the van. There's a chap in the van. That's the chap in the van. So yeah, so that's the problem with the lack of, some people haven't followed the signs. People are stopping to ask how they actually get to Cambridge. This is the, you can see the A1's open through it if you're heading north to south. Yeah, that's the works there. So quick look around, heading towards the marina. See the A1 south. Nice and close, really. There's the Marina Road being built. See the left of it there. Down. Just to the side. Here, where it'll join the Bedford Road. There's Bedford Road itself. Let's see what they've got to finish off this weekend. There's the garden centre where I'm parked. Just to log back over. Renford Bridge. Is it Renford? Been here enough times now, I should remember the name of that bridge. Yeah, there's the that's the works. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you're new, please do subscribe. Do drop the video a like because it helps the algorithm. And we'll be back probably a couple of weeks now. I know there's going to be a major closure next weekend, so we'll continue following this, showing just how things are changing. Yeah, that's a major weekend of works here. So I'll pop down, grab a coffee, and film what's actually happening for you guys. If anyone does want to buy me a coffee, I'll drop a link in the description as well, which is much appreciated. But yeah, the works continue here at the Black Cat, and we'll end it there. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.